Today's Saturday, sale day. Everything on the lot's for sale. Come on down, let me make you an owner. Like on this 2011 Toyota Camry SE. Silver in color, low pricing, 6-inch screen inside. Beautiful car. Low down payment, low monthly payments, all day long. If you come in and ask for Johnny O and tell him you saw it on Facebook video, I'll go ahead and get you an additional $500 off. So if you're looking for a car, truck, SUV, looking for a little bit of luxury, this is definitely the place to come and get it. 9907 San Pedro Avenue. Some of these cars are under 10 grand. Some of these cars are under 5 grand. So come on down. I'll make you an owner today. Concourse Motors, where we make dreams realities.